Do most older homes have foundation problems? As we age, our bodies don't react as they used to. It seems we feel aches and pains in muscles we didn't know we had. Stay tuned to hear if homes have foundation problems as they age. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Homeowners know as time goes by, their homes will need more maintenance. In this video, I'll explain what problems a foundation can have as it ages, what the cause of these problems are, and how to avoid them. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So what we traditionally see is older homes, as they age, they become more susceptible to water intrusion. So water starts to break down those seals over time. It starts to break down that original waterproofing that the home had. So this can cause water intrusion into your basement, your crawl space. We also see a lot with wood rot, where biological growth in that wood exposed to water over the time begins to break down, as well as your footings. And so with the water around your home, you start to see the erosion beneath those footings and foundations begin to sink. Like I said earlier, it's the breakdown of that waterproofing. It's not built to last forever. So over time with the wear and tear on it, it's just going to break down. And so the number one cause is just water around your home. Whether it's water breaking down the soil beneath your footing, causing it to sink, it's getting into your basement or crawl space and starting to break down that wood, water becomes that number one problem. Sometimes, yes, by doing that maintenance with the downspout extensions, making sure that the grade and the landscaping around your home discourages water from standing next to it. These are simple things that can help prolong the foundation of your home and help prolong those seals to keep that water out. Not all can be prevented though. If the soil that's underneath your home just isn't good enough to hold your home up, this is something that you're just not going to be able to prevent. Or if you're just in a high water table area, the water is eventually going to break down those seals and come into your home. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your aging foundation? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.